Hello, my name is Isra, and in today's lesson, we will learn how to find the length of a right angle triangle using the trigonometric ratios. So, for this, first we have to discuss the right angle triangles figure. Yeah, so here is this figure. We have to understand it first. So, at point B, there is a right angle, and the side that is exactly opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and the side that is exactly opposite to the given angle is opposite, and the side that is perpendicular to the opposite is adjacent. So here BC is adjacent, but if we change the location of this angle, given angle, from point C to point A, then the sides called opposite and adjacent would also be changed. So if the given angle is at point A, this side AB would be adjacent, and the side BC, because it would be exactly opposite to the angle A, so it would be called as opposite. So moving on to this, to their formulas. So there are three trigonometric ratios, and these are known as cosine theta, sine theta, and tangent theta. So formula of cosine theta is equal to length of adjacent over length of hypotenuse, and sine theta is equal to length of opposite over length of hypotenuse, and the tangent theta is equal to length of opposite over length of adjacent. So these formula would be used to calculate the length of either side of a right angle triangle. So let's move to the questions now. Here I am using the book of IGCS. You may use any book of your syllabus, because the question statement may vary, but the procedure of solving a question would be same, and the formulas also remain same. So here I will be solving this question B. Let me share with you whiteboard, and then we will be solving the questions. Yes, I have already drawn the figure of the question so that I can move to solve it in short time. Yeah, I have to select. Here, as you can see, the side that is exactly opposite to 30, QR is opposite. So length of opposite is length of opposite side here is equal to 7 cm, and length of, since this side is perpendicular to the QR, so it would be adjacent. We have to determine this. So it is given the name of X, and the given angle theta is equal to 30 degree. First, I will write the formulas for all the trigonometric ratios, so we can understand which formula would we use. Since tangent theta is equal to length of opposite over adjacent, length of opposite over hypotenuse, length of adjacent over hypotenuse. Yeah, here we will use the formula of tangent theta because it involves the both sides that are given here, opposite and adjacent. So tangent theta is equal to length of opposite over length of adjacent. Now let's put the values in the question. 30 is equal to length of opposite is 7 and length of adjacent is x. So since x is dividing 7, so it will be multiplied on the other side. 7. Since 30 is getting multiplied with x, it will divide 7 on the other side. Yeah. So let's solve it. You can solve this using the calculator, and its answer, yeah, its answer is x 7 under root 3. Since tan 30 is equal to 7, yeah, let me erase it. 7 divided by 1 over under root 3. So the answer becomes 7 under root 3. So it is the answer. Moving on to the next question. Yeah, I will have to share the screen so that you can see the book. Yeah. Now I will be solving a question that involves some different formula. Yeah. I will be solving a question A. Let's move to the whiteboard. I already have drawn the picture in the whiteboard so that I can see the time. So here is a triangle ABC where at point C angle given angle is 40 degree and given angle is 40 degree and AC is given 8.2 cm. Since this is cm means we have to determine the C. So 8.2 cm, this is the opposite and this is hypotenuse. So it involved the different formulas. Since this is involving the opposite and hypotenuse, we will use the formula involving these two lengths. So let's write the data first. Here, length of opposite is equal to C, length of hypotenuse 8.2, given angle 40 degree. So the formula of sine theta would be U. Sine theta is equal to length of opposite over length of hypotenuse. So length of opposite is C, length of hypotenuse is 8.2 and sine theta is equal to sine 40. Yeah, we will 8.2 is dividing C, so it will be multiplied on the other side. 8.2 multiplies sine 40. We will solve this using the calculator. 8.2 multiplies sine 40. 8.2 multiplies sine 40 is equal to 5.2. So its answer is 5.2 centimeter. Length of opposite is equal to 5.2 cm. This is the answer. So moving on to the next question. Now I already have wrote the question, so we will be solving this question. LJK triangle, angle is given at J point is 22 degree and LK length is given 16.4 cm. So since this side is exactly opposite to 22 degree, so this is opposite. I will write it here for the clarity. Opposite, and this is, as you can see, that it is exactly opposite to the angle of 90 degree. So this is hypotenuse. So now I will write the data first. Length of hypotenuse is given the name of K that we have to determine, and length of opposite is equal to length of opposite is equal to 16.4 cm and theta is equal to 20 degree. Since it is involving hypotenuse and opposite, so we will be using the formula sine theta. Sine theta is equal to length of opposite over length of hypotenuse. So putting the values in the formula, since sine is multiplied with k, so it will divide 16.4 on the other side. Now I will solve the question using the calculator. 16.4 divides sine 22. The answer is 43.78 centimeter. So the length of length of hypotenuse is, so the length of opposite length of hypotenuse is 43.78 here. That's it. In the next lesson we will solve the question and understand how we can find the value of this given angle by using the same trigonometric ratios. That's it for today. Have a good day.